Hi guys and welcome to my channel. It's Vesna here. If you're brand new to the channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're coming back, welcome back. If you have not subscribed, please do consider subscribing. In my channel you can see trash to treasures, some cooking, DIYs, home decor, room decor, all sorts of things. I have like a mixture of styles, probably farmhouse, rustic, antique, old basically. So I hope you do enjoy what you see. For today's video, I am participating in another challenge. I seem to just be participating in a lot of challenges these days. It is hosted by Kenya's Decor Corner. Kenya is a fantastically creative lady. On her channel, you can see, anything kind of decor related. She does lots of tablescapes and bar carts, and she hosts a seasonal lantern challenge as well. She does all sorts of different home decor things and DIYs and such. If you have not had a chance to check out her channel, I will have her channel linked to my description, so please make sure you check her out. I'm sure you'll find something you like on her channel. And this challenge is co-hosted by Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie. If you haven't checked out Stephanie's channel, she does DIYs, tablescapes, home decors, shopping hauls, anything like that. She does it. So anything home related, she does it. So make sure you check out her channel. She is super creative, and her channel link is in the description below. So for the video, we had to decorate our mantle, so our fireplace mantle. So for the rules were basically just that you had to decorate it and you had to include one or more pieces of some sort of foliage or like flower, any kind of plant or anything like that. So I'll show you what I've done. So here's my fireplace mantle right now. I will be using some of the things, so I'll be keeping that wreath. Some of the things I'm not sure of. This is just kind of a mishmash. I had it all styled for Easter, and then I took some stuff away. I left some stuff around, so I'll just start off by taking everything off and cleaning the mantle. Now, I polished it a little while ago, not a little while ago, I polished it on the weekend. And so I'm just going to be using just my dust mitt just to dust it off. Cleaned it off. I used just a little piece of burlap and attached it to the wreath so I could attach the wreath to the mirror. Now I don't like the way I attached it here. I find that it's a little bit too low, so I will be redoing that. Now here I'll link the card up above. This is another DIY that I made. That was a pickle jar, so I made it into a vase, and then I have these peonies that I absolutely love, so I keep those in there. This is a boxwood ball that I believe this one I got at, this is my larger one, so this one I got at Winners, I think. And the box I got from a lady. I used to go every winter to a lady's house where we created Christmas urns. So I got that pot there. The little St. Tropez sign I got at a local craft decor store. And then that little coconut thing I got from one of our trips to the Caribbean. It's like a decor piece, and it had something in there. I forget what it was, but here I have these candelabras that I thought I was going to use, but I'll show you guys what I did. But anyway, I got these at the thrift store. The bigger one was $4. The smaller one was $3. So I'm just going to paint them out white, but I'm not painting them completely. I'm just distressing them. When I distress, I always wipe off the excess paint on either a paper towel or a rag, depending on what I have on hand. So kind of this is what I'm doing with these ones. Whether I'll actually always keep them like this, I'm not sure. This is just kind of the idea that I had for this video. Now, I could not find three of the same ones at the thrift store, so I did kind of improvise with the third one because I like to have things in odd numbers. So with the third one, I just used a small clay pot from Dollar Tree, and then I had bought these vintage mason jars a long time ago, and I had the lids from them, which were the old glass lids. So I'm using that as my topper. I go ahead and I further kind of like distress in a duck egg blue, and the clay pot I paint in a duck egg blue. So here I've placed the candelabras on the mantle, and I've lifted up the wreath. So I'm liking the position of the wreath, but I don't like the way the candelabras look. You guys let me know what you think of that. So I'm thinking I'm going to change it up and use my bird cage, which I also I didn't DIY, I DIY'd the decor inside of it, which I can link the video above as well. And the little bird house that I repainted, and this little clay vase that I had gotten from probably a thrift store a long, long time ago with a little succulent inside. Let me know which one you like better. I'm leaning towards this one, but I'm just not sure. So let me know what you guys think. So here is the look with the bird cage. I'm thinking I like this one better. Let me know what you guys think. And here is the look with the candelabras. Again, let me know which one you think is nicer. I'm leaning towards the one with the bird cage, but let me know what you guys think. So if you like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you see more videos like this. Check out the videos that I've recommended for you at the end here, and make sure you check out the playlist so you can see some of the very many creators who are going to be decorating their mantles, and maybe they can give you some inspiration. Thanks for stopping by. Have an excellent day and stay safe.